How to cut to music beat using Mark Beats AI in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Then, make sure you've imported your audio and add it to the timeline. After you've done that, above your timeline, click on Mark's Beats and select Beats 1 or Beats 2 as you want. After you've selected the Beats option, you'll find Beats on your audio. You can simply zoom out your audio and you'll find the Beats. As you can see in my audio, the Beats has been added at the top. And this is how to cut to music beat using Mark Beats AI and CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.